The sun beat down on Harare. Neville Mutsvangwa, son of Zimbabwe's outspoken ZANU-PF party chairman, Chris Mutsvangwa, was arrested. His world changed in an instant. This was no ordinary arrest. It was a political earthquake. News spread like wildfire. Shockwaves rippled through the corridors of power. Chris Mutsvangwa, a political heavyweight, found himself grappling with his son's sudden downfall. Neville's arrest wasn't just about alleged corruption, it was about power. The charges against him, centered around illicit gold dealings, were seen by many as politically motivated. A warning shot fired at his father. Chris Mutsvangwa, a vocal critic of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, cried foul. He saw the hand of his political rival in this arrest. The gloves were off. A very public, very messy feud was about to erupt. The public watched with bated breath. Was this a genuine attempt to curb corruption or a Machiavellian power play? The lines were blurred. Zimbabwe has seen its share of political drama. But this was different. This was personal, a family caught in the crosshairs, a nation on the edge of its seat. The feud between Mutsvangwa and Chiwenga is not new, but this arrest brought it into sharp focus. The stakes were higher than ever, the accusations, the denials, the public spectacle. It was a potent mix. Zimbabweans wondered what would happen next. This arrest cast a long shadow over Zimbabwe's fragile stability. The economy is struggling. The people are weary of political games. The international community, too, is watching closely. Investors are hesitant. The political climate is unpredictable. Will this arrest escalate tensions? Will it lead to further unrest? The answers remain elusive. But one thing is certain, the stakes are high. Chris Mutsvangwa, once a kingmaker, now finds himself in a fight for his political life. His son's arrest is a blow, but he is a wily political operator. He will not go down without a fight. This drama is far from over. It is a story of power, ambition, and revenge. And it is unfolding on the grand stage of Zimbabwean politics. The future is uncertain. But one thing is clear. The arrest of Neville Mutsvangwa has opened a Pandora's box. The consequences will be felt for years to come.